This is called helping a friend. First, we'll take some water. Positive, negative, negative, positive. It goes this way. And if it didn't, we were gonna make it. An electrical system in a vehicle, negative is always last. Wow, look at this. Oh, and it's loose. Okay, hopefully we'll fix that right now. We gotta kill it, this soft metal. I would reroute this, but I can't do this right now. So we just tuck it over here. Oh, everything's loose. Wow, okay. Oh, we'll just do what we can. Is it 11? Really? Yeah. Cute. Which is line may go down. No, I think that's 11. Yep, that's what it is. All right, let's get the key fob ready because alarm might go off if it has one, depending. It's a factory. Black, negative, negative. Nothing went off. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can break that. Yeah, we know where you are. The other side wasn't crazy. It's just surface rust, surface shit, making it a little bit bigger. You don't gotta kill it. Shit ain't going nowhere. Always put your tools back, guys and gals. Always put your tools back where you got it from. We know it has oil. We know it has everything else for the most part. It drove here, parked here. So we'll just go off of that. Yeah, she's got 12.7 plus volts, which is more than enough to start this vehicle. The average commuter vehicle in America is like 12.4. Sometimes, obviously, bigger motors need more cold cranking amps, and this has it. So, all right. We'll leave it open just to get windy. So we're gonna put our tools back. Wonderful. 254,000 miles. Ooh-wee. Well, that didn't sound good. I heard a little thing, like what am I talking about? Good things happen. Good things. Let's turn right on. Watch this. Beautiful. She's alive. She's alive. One crank. 2 cranks, whatever. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. That's how you help a friend put a battery in her puppy vehicle, her puppy, beautiful puppy. Not just puppy. No, yeah, dogs. Grooming van. All right. Thank you for watching.